Welcome everybody to Buck's Living Room. I'm out kayaking around trying to find stuff. We lost a bunch of kayaks and paddle boards and stuff like that. So and it's remote that I'll find anything, but it's worth a try. Beautiful weather, man. Because this summer has been a bitch. Trying to paddle with one hand. But when I turn around, I should have the wind at my back. So, the other morning I get up, I go out to my car, which I parked on a high part of the island, and it didn't go under, thank God. And there's a Cuban guy sleeping in it, a migrant. The height of the storm at night, he was on a boat with 27 other Cubans, right on the other side of this island here. 2.5 miles out, and it sunk. And they all started swimming. And he made it here. Only 5 are accounted for. 10 are confirmed dead. And really nice guy, man. Only have on a pair of underwear. Gave him some clothes. But the beautiful thing is, that was 2 days ago, that he is now working on the island. He got processed through the Border Patrol and all that stuff. And he's working. And another friend of mine is going to put him up somewhere. He's going to work for him. So it's a good story. Think of what that dude went through, man. They were out on the water for about 7 days. I don't know what kind of boat it was. They're called chug boats. Usually they're homemade kind of things. All right, I'm getting tired of rowing with one hand. So, buck out. Have a nice day.